Hi everyone, welcome to SUMAN'S Art Corner. I'm happy you're here. If you love art, creative ideas, DIY projects, handmade creativity, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll be sharing easy tutorials, fun craft ideas, painting inspirations, and lots of exciting projects that can be easily done at home. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crafter, I hope my videos inspires you to create something beautiful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you never miss any updates. Thank you for joining me on this journey. So let's create something beautiful and have fun together. See you in the first video. Bye! Hi friends, today's video is very close to my heart. I've personalized pastel bookmarks for my students as a year-end gift. The bookmarks are personalized according to my students' choices. I've asked them to write their 2 favorite colors and 2 favorite animals. Each bookmark is designed using the colors and animals they love, making each piece unique and memorable. So let me show you how I went through the process and what is the final look. As you can see, I'm using Canva for my bookmarks. What you have to do is you have to go to Canva, click on create. You will get a search bar where you have to write bookmarks. And you will get a template coming up on your screen. So click on that and a new page will pop up in front of your screen. Now this is our blank canvas where we need to work on. If you don't want to work on your blank canvas, you will get plenty of ready-made templates that you can use. But I'm going to use this blank canvas to show you how I have created the bookmarks for my students. So I will click on the bookmark and up on the top column, as you can see, I have some colors that I can choose for my background. So I will click on that and I will take the color pink. Now this is too bright for me. I want to choose a little lighter version. So again, I will go to background colors where I will click on this add a new color and I will choose a lighter color for my bookmark. Now I have chosen one. This is looking pretty. So now I will cancel this and this is the background for my bookmark. Now next what I will do is I will now go to element and in the search bar again I will write flower prints because I like flowers. So I'm writing flower prints or flower pattern. So from these flower patterns I like this pattern, so I'm choosing this and you can see now I have to just drag and place it on my bookmark and align it with the color that is there in the background. Now once it is aligned, I will copy this pattern and I will paste it one below the other. Now when I'm happy with this, again I will make another copy and down below the second I will place it again and there you go. I have a nice background for my bookmark. Now what I have to do next is add a nice line for my bookmark. So from the toolbox that I have, I'm going to click on text. Now I'm going to choose add a heading and then I have already written some notes or some bookmark phases. So from there I will choose one which I like. So now from here I like this, every page is a new adventure. This is nice and catchy. So I'll copy that and I will paste that in my heading. Now I will choose this line and I will just play around with the font. Let me see which font will look nice. I think this apricot is looking nice. I have used this before also. This is looking nice. I will increase the font size a little. Then I will go to effect and click on this outline which will look nice. Once it's done you can see. Once it's done you will be able to see actually. Now from here I will choose the white color for my outline and I will increase the thickness a little so that it pops up. So you can see it's looking nice now and this I will align in the middle of the bookmark. Now one more thing that I have to add is who is giving this bookmark. So I will write from Suman, and again I will choose a nice font. Now I will choose another because this is looking nice, right? I will increase the size, and same thing, I will go to effect, choose outline, change the color to white for the background, and increase the thickness, and there you go, a nice bookmark is ready. Now you can play around, choose another pattern or choose another color for your font, choose another color for your outline. This is a simple bookmark that I've shown you. Now from here what we can do is, or we should be doing is, we will click on share and download this particular bookmark as a PDF format. So PDF is already suggested. You can choose another JPG, PNG, but I will choose PDF, which gives a nice color when you print it out. So I will download that, and from there we will print this nice bookmark, and we are done. These are my final prints for my students, as you can see. Now from here what I have to do is I have to click on print, and I will be choosing color option, which is already color, so color option. Then I'm choosing print on both sides because I'm giving the bookmarks which can be used on both sides. Then I will click on more settings, and from there I will change the page size to A4. Usually it is letter size, so that's why I am changing it to A4, and then click on print. So these are the final result after being print out and the cutouts. As you can see, each bookmark has a personalized message for my students. Now the only step that is left is to be laminated. So meet you after the lamination. Thank you. A small hack for you guys: if you do not have a lamination machine at home, how are you going to laminate your product? Now as you can see, I have kept 2 sheets below, and on top of that I have kept my bookmarks, which is already under the lamination sheets. I have already put them in order. Now I will cover these sheets with another A4 size paper, and then I will use my iron to iron this. Now the temperature of the iron should be above the normal temperature, but not too hot, neither too cold. And you are going to press it hard on the sheet that you have covered your product with. Now for few seconds you have to press it nicely. Okay. After you press it, and let's see how it turns out. It is pretty hot now, so you have to be very careful when you touch it. And voila! Your bookmarks are laminated. Now I have already laminated 2 of my bookmarks before this, so you can see these are the bookmarks that are being laminated in the exact way using the iron. Now what is left is to cut it out and do a little bit of beautification before giving it to my students. So friends, we have come to the last part or the end of our project, where I have to actually cut these bookmarks in a neat manner, as you can see. Okay, and then I will punch a hole over here so that we can attach the tassel with it. So see you in a bit where I cut the bookmarks properly, and then I will show you the end result. So I have neatly cut the bookmarks. Now the only part is left is to put a hole or create a hole over here. So I'll use the puncher and make holes. Be careful to see where the lines are, where the writings are, and measure where you want to place the hole. So I'm taking one finger gap from both ends, placing my bookmark, and then and there you go. So I'll make these holes in others as well. To attach the tassel. So just put inside the hole and make a loop. And this is the last one. As you can see, these are double-sided bookmarks, so the color of the tassel is being chosen according to it. There you go. I hope you like the bookmarks that I've made. Please try this at home and give me a comment on how you made it and how was it. Thank you. guys, I hope you liked my video, and I'm definite that you're going to try this at home by yourself. Please share a comment on how you made it, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.